With the new year, New York's bail reform law takes effect. Supporters say the old system unfairly targeted the poor. Critics say it'll put criminals back on the streets. CBS 2's Bauman is here with more on that. Allie.
Well, Dick, proponents argue this will close the disparity between people who can afford to pay bail and those who cannot, while also dramatically lowering the number of people incarcerated. But the key controversy is that in many cases, judges will not have discretion to hold suspects in custody, even if there's evidence the person is a danger to the victim or the public.
Go to DSS, and they're going to put you in like a shelter right now.
Augustus Everton is one of 24 inmates at the East Meadow Correctional Center on Long Island, being released one day before new criminal justice reforms take effect January 1st.
It's a beautiful thing. I've been locked up for 2 years. I get to see my daughter today. For the New Year's, that's going to be a blessing.
The new state laws eliminate cash bail for people charged with misdemeanors and what's classified as nonviolent felonies. Governor Cuomo says this will ensure 90% of defendants who have not been convicted will not wait in jail for their day in court.
The public is going to be less safe as a result of the enactment of these laws.
Hundreds of offenses such as stalking, grand larceny, assault as a hate crime, and second-degree manslaughter will no longer be eligible for bail or pretrial detention.
They eliminated bail, but they never put in the safeguard that we need of allowing a judge to assess dangerousness. And the result is we've got some glaring loopholes that are going to go into effect tomorrow.
CBS 2 urban affairs expert Mark Peters says this sets New York apart from other states, such as New Jersey, which have already eliminated cash bail.
So that somebody can walk up to someone on the street and punch them in the face, and if they haven't done lasting physical injury, there's no bail available. They'll be let out that day. They can go and punch somebody the next day.
Courts will have the option to supervise release defendants by check-ins with a caseworker, by monitoring their mental health or substance abuse treatment, by making sure they maintain employment, obey an order of protection, or forfeit their firearms. Electronic monitoring will be available for all felonies, misdemeanor domestic violence and sex offenses, misdemeanors where the defendant was convicted of a violent felony in the last 5 years, and defendants whose previous bail was revoked.
It's not as though there's a light switch and suddenly the city is going to become vastly more dangerous on January 1st than it was on December 31st. These are things that we will see the effects of over the next several months.
And New York City has already started releasing people for being held for crimes no longer bail-worthy since October. The new laws do allow for bail if the defendant has failed to appear in court in the current case. For a full list of alleged crimes that no longer qualify for bail, head to our website, cbsnewyork.com.